Welcome to the Application Delivery How-To series. My name is Christian, and today we are covering all about positive security in the web application firewall. To understand how positive security works, we first have to understand the Raf Security Pipeline. It consists of the three modules: the allow list, the positive security, and the signatures. All of these modules work together to provide the full application firewall protection. They are supported by the industry-leading app log analytics provided by the AVI platform. This video is all about positive security. And positive security is the way of describing what is valid or expected application behavior. And this is implemented by web application firewall rules that then get enforced. There are multiple ways to create these rules. Used by most of our customers is the automatic rule generation using our integrated machine learning-based application learning engine. In the data path, the traffic patterns are collected and then sent to the AVI controller for deeper analysis. Then for each of the URLs and parameters analyzed, a confidence score is calculated. Once that confidence score reaches a configured threshold, a positive security rule is programmed automatically. And from that point forward, the positive security will enforce the learned behavior for all of the future requests. Over time, this will build a comprehensive model of the application within positive security. Our learning engine was built to support continuous learning in any application context, whether you secure an application that gets updated daily or one that is not getting updated at all. We have you covered by automatically adjusting the learning engine parameters with the same machine learning pipeline. This way, we can automatically tune the sampling rate for the incoming data, for example. And consequently, when the entropy of the incoming data is low, because the application has not changed, then we can reduce the amount of resources the learning engine actually needs on the controller and then stay in that state until the entropy of the data says otherwise. Therefore, once configured, the positive security and learning engine do not need additional manual configuration tuning. The second option for creating positive security rules is via an output of a vulnerability scan. Here, the controller can import the findings from a vulnerability scanner and provide positive security rules as a virtual patch for the found vulnerabilities, and then with that protect the application. Finally, for individual rules, the user or admin can add them manually through the UI or API. Now let's put this all in context of the Raf Security Pipeline. After the allow list, the remaining unvalidated traffic will hit the positive security. These rules will then validate expected application behavior, block behavior that does not comply with the learned policy, or send the remaining parts of the traffic for signature validation. And as you can see, the total amount of traffic that is checked by the signatures is greatly reduced, and therefore reducing the false positive rate and increasing overall performance of this security pipeline. Let me show how positive security and learning are configured. In our virtual service, we have an attached WAF policy. Within that WAF policy, we'll find the Learning tab and the Positive Security tab. The Learning tab contains all the information and configuration for the learning to work. And once that is enabled, the system will gather data from the incoming traffic. It will then calculate the confidence score, and once that's reached, it will program rules into the positive security learning group. Here we have a Hackathon learning group. If we open this up, we'll see that there are already locations configured, which is essentially our URIs, and we have parameters configured as well. So over time, the system will learn what is expected and valid application behavior and auto-program these rules to protect the application. Please check out our other exciting videos in our Application Delivery How-To series. Thanks for watching.